Hello dear students, I am Dr. Sanjay Pagar, Associate Professor, Department of Geography. Dear student, I welcome all of you in this online lecture series on behalf of Maratha Vidya Prasar Samajas, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College Nashik. Dear student, this is our SYBS Geography class, semester 4, and title of our subject is Environmental Geography Part 2. The paper code is 241. Dear student, today in this lecture, we are going to discuss our topic number 3, that is environmental conservation in India. In this topic, we have a subtopic that is solid waste management. Dear student, in previous lecture, we have discussed detailed information about what is water conservation, its meaning, and various measures that are useful for water conservation in India. Dear student, for today's lecture, we have study objective or learning objective that is very simple to discuss solid waste management, its meaning, and various measures that are important for the solid waste management. Dear student, you know that the solid waste means any garbage. In other words, solid waste is unwanted and generated by the various domestic, commercial, agriculture, and industrial activity by the human being. Solid waste refer to any garbage or other rejected solid and semi-solid material obtained as a result of the different industrial, commercial, household and other activity. You know that student, the human being carried out the various economical activity for fulfilling his basic needs. It may be the primary, secondary, tertiary, or maybe the other activity. So during that economic activity, when he use the various part of the nature to complete his the various needs, or in other words, you can say we are using the various resources for fulfilling our various needs. That time, when you use the various material of the natural resources, that time we use the part of that resources which are very useful for us, and other useless part we throw in our outside in our open place. So therefore, this part is known as the solid waste. And for that purpose, you know that the human being doing a various process, and in this process such type of the solid waste is created by the human being. So therefore, the solid waste is very important. Solid waste management is very important in this regard. You know that student, the solid waste usually include food waste, other degradable organic waste, paper, bead, discarded wrapping, and the bottles. And all these material are created by the human being through his various economic or the various activity. And the nature of the human being is what? When you use all these things, and when they become used, that they throw on the open space. So therefore, that creates the problem for not only for the human being, human health, but also for the nature, also environment also. And therefore, dear student, due to the improper disposal of the waste particles by the waste management organization, or the collected the waste get heap up and become a problem for the both environment and also for the public. So in this regard, the solid waste management is very important. So let us talk about what is the meaning of solid waste management. A very simple term. So in other words, you can say that a solid waste management is a broad term and refer to the process of collecting and treating the solid waste properly. It is mainly refer to a complete process of collecting, treating, and disposing the solid waste. And so in this whole process, for this process, whatever human being are done various measures that are all included in the solid waste management process. Dear student, in other words, solid waste management, what is solid waste management? The collecting, the treating, and disposing of the solid material that is the discarded because it has served its the purpose or is no longer useful for the human being. And for that purpose, we doing the solid waste management. In solid waste, what is important? For the safe disposal of the waste is very important, and to reduce the environmental pollution is also important, and avoid any health hazard that may be causes for the human being and other various biotic factors that are present on the earth. So dear student, one very important thing with regard to the solid waste management, that is solid waste management, 3R is very important. What are these 3R? The first is reduce, then reuse, and recycle. It means what? if you want to do the proper solid waste management in this regard, these three are very important. Reduce mean we try to reduce the material that that are the part of the natural resources. So if it's really required, then we can use it. So otherwise we try to avoid it. Second is reuse. Reuse is whatever the material of resources we are using for completing the various our needs or for various economical activities purpose, that time if it is possible, then try to reuse again and again. So that can be also reduce the solid waste that are created by the human being. And third, very important, that the recycle. So that is very important. Recycle means you can do when we use the various things of the nature, the natural resources are, we can able to use, reuse, recycle again and again. So for that purpose only the proper management is very important, and it is possible. You know that in most part of the developed country this process is carried out, but in developing country and some underdeveloped country, this process are really not done by the people very well. So therefore there is a need to reuse, recycle and reduce the whatever the material we are using for the various purpose. And that these three R is really very important in with regard to the solid waste management. Dear student, you know that there are numbers of the sources that are responsible or the causes to create the solid on the earth surface. So let us talk about the few of them. The first, very important, residential area, or you can say the domestic purpose. So you know the garbage from these areas, means from the houses, the various houses is released in the environment. It includes the food waste, the plastic, then paper, glass, metal, ashes, and also the household item like electronics, tires, the batteries, old mattresses, and so many things. We are all these material are as a part of the residential area, or you can say the house, apartment, and flats. That is released due to the domestic use. Therefore, this is a really very important source of the solid waste that were created on the surface. And you know, the student, another important source of the solid waste is industries. This is a very important source. There are numbers of the industries that use the various raw material for the process, and through that process, when the unused material is remain, that time they throw on the open space or anywhere. So that become a part of the solid waste. So these industries produce the solid waste in the form of housekeeping wasted, the packing wasted, construction material, and so many things. If you visited to any industrial area, then you can see this type of the solid waste. So therefore the industry is also very important source of the solid waste. Another important is the commercial side. Dear student, this is a very important, especially I am talking about the metropolitan city and the big cities, town. In this city, in this area, you will observe the commercial sites are very important to create the various type of the solid waste. The commercial facilities and the buildings also generate the solid waste on a large scale. Commercial building include the hotel, market, restaurants, stores, and malls, and the various offices. The offices building of the it may be the government or maybe the private. They are responsible to create the various solid waste that we observe in that area. So this is also very important source of the solid waste. Let us talk about the another important institution. The institution means it may be the school, college, university, government house, or maybe corporation house, or maybe there are numbers of things institutions are available. It may be the research lab, or maybe there are numbers of the private labs. They are work for the various. They are constructed for the various purpose. But see, student, these institutions are also responsible to create the solid waste in our environment. It includes the glasses, rubber waste, the plastic, food waste, wood, paper, metal, the cardboards material, electronic, as well as the various hazardous wasted. They are also responsible to create such type of solid waste in our environment. Therefore, the institution are very important source of the solid waste. Let us talk about the very important municipal services. Dear student, I just mentioned that there are various cities in India, even the all part of the world, where we have the municipal corporation. In such area, you know that the too much population are living in this area. So this this is a really very important source of the municipal area, are very important source of the solid waste. Solid waste generated by the municipal services are a result of the street cleaning wasted from the park and the beaches and the other public area that we have in the city area or the municipal area. So therefore, this is a really very important source of the solid waste that we observe, particularly in the most of the big cities in our India. Agriculture is another important source. The agriculture wasted include the spoiled vegetables, fruits, then the pesticide containers and the other hazardous materials that we are using in the for the modern agriculture. You can say the that time we are using the chemical, pesticide, fertilizer, and various things that are using that also create the solid waste in our environment. And you know that the vegetable fruits that are also important solid waste that we have. It is the result of the agriculture process that are carried out. Especially, I am talking about the developed and the underdeveloped and developing country. The scale of this solid waste, generating the solid waste is too much in the rural area also, and even in the city area where we have the market area, the vegetable and fruit market. That time in that area we also observe that there is a too much heap of the agriculture solid waste. So therefore, this is also very important source of the solid waste. Let us talk about the very important, that is the biochemical source. You know that in most part of the city and even the urban area or the town area, you know that the numbers of hospital and clinic are on. So these are also also the important source of the solid waste. Hospital generate a huge amount of the biomedical waste that include the syringes, the bandage, and the used gloves and drugs and the paper, plastic, and so many things. They are generated through these biomedicals. So therefore, this is also very important. And you know that as compared to other solid waste, this waste is a very dangerous and harmful for the human being health and the other biotic factor that we have on the earth surface. So therefore, this is very important. All these sources are the part of the important source of the solid waste. Therefore, there is a need to control and manage whatever the solid waste is generated through these various sources. So for that purpose, the solid waste management is very important. There are numbers of methods that we are using for the solid waste management. Let us discuss few of them that are very important. Especially I am talking about in India, these methods are very important. The first very important process, that is the sanitary landfill. This is a very important process. The most common solid waste disposal method is the sanitary landfill. The waste put in the layers and compress and then cover with the soil. That is a very common. Especially this process is carried out on the large scale, particularly in the city area. So therefore, in India, this process is used. It's a common use of this process for the solid waste management. Especially, I repeat again, in the most part of the city area, this process is used. Another very important process, that is the incineration. So that is very important. The term incineration means burn something until nothing is left, but only ashes is left. This is also very useful process that the most part of the India is used. In this method, what we are doing? The solid waste are burned at a high temperature, turning them into the ashes. And it may be that is you might be see such type the process is usually used in our India. The method is employed by the municipalities and the institution. In this method, we able to reduce the volume of the waste up to the 30% of its original volume, and therefore this is a very important process, and we have to follow it. That is a very. But see, when we are using this process, that time also one side effect or the negative effect of this process is that is also responsible for the creating the air pollution and environment. Therefore, there should be some scientific method that we can use this method, but simultaneously we also take care about there should not be too much air pollution. Then this process might be useful for us as a part of the solid waste management. Let us talk about another important, that is very important, recycling. Really, dear student, this is the really important place. Then we have to use it. It is a process of taking discarded item and the converting into the useful atom. That is very useful. Usually these atoms are the proceed and the clean before they are recycled. You know that there are numbers of things. Even for example, the bottle that were thrown in the garbage, that by cleaning this bottle we can reuse for the same purpose. So just what is important, but we have to do a proper management. So we have to create the awareness in the public that they can also help to the recycling such type the solid waste material as a part of the recycle. So therefore, what is important? The people's awareness is very important. Then really this process will be too much helpful for solid waste management in country like India. Let us talk about the very important composting. The composting is a very important process. When there is no space for the landfill, biodegradable is allowed to decompose and use as a manure. And I'm repeating, very important. In an agricultural country, this process is really very useful. Especially I'm talking in also Nasik city. Also we have this type of the method that are using by the Nasik Municipal Corporation for the recycling or for the as a part of the solid waste management, and that is success and too much, because in this process we are also manage the doing the solid waste management. And one important thing that whatever the manure we are use, the fertilizer we are creating through this process, that is also we give and supply to the various farmers that are living around the near the city with a very low cost. So therefore this is really very important, and in country like India this is really we have to do it. Another important process that is also useful for the, that is the pyrolysis. This process is also very important. The pyrolysis is a process where solid waste are decomposed chemically. That is very important. It is done under the pressure and the temperature of 430 degrees Celsius. The solid waste are changed into the gases and the small quantities of the liquid. And really this is also very important, but it is a chemical. In this process we use the chemicals, but that time we also take care about there should not be any harm for the environment and the human being also. But this process can be also used and very important as a part of the solid waste management. Let us talk about another reference. Dear student, for this lecture I have used some references that you can also use for update your notes. These are the very two important books. They are already written as per the new syllabus, so you can use this. Really, I'm sure that by using this textbook or the references, you can update your notes too good. And some websites are also used for the making this lecture, the PPT of this lecture. You can also use this website. I'm sure that these are very important material is available on this website. You can use it. Dear student, this was about today's lecture. In this lecture, we discuss about the solid waste management in India. What are the meaning of solid waste management? What are the sources of the solid waste? And what are the method that we can use for the solid waste management in India? In next lecture, we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is the role of public in environmental awareness. So, okay, thank you.